previous videos, you learned where to find needed forms and the process for filing the forms in a divorce case. In this video, you will learn about Guide and File. For people representing themselves, Guide and File is an easy-to-use application that generates legal documents after answering a series of questions, much like TurboTax. Before you start an online Guide and File interview, you will need an email address. This is required to create a Guide and File account. If you do not have an email account yet, get one free by going to one of the following websites: Google at google.com, Outlook at outlook.live.com, or Yahoo at overview.mail.yahoo.com. Time. Each online Guide and File interview takes a different amount of time to complete, anywhere from 45 minutes to an hour. The good news, you can come back to an interview at any time and location. You also need access to a computer and a printer. Remember, if you use a public computer, as in one in a library, bring your information with you. District courthouses have a computer available at their court kiosk, but you must already have an email account to access Guide and File because the court computer does not permit you to create an email account. Your personal information. Guide and File uses the personal information you provide to populate the forms you will file. Information you need to file a petition for divorce or to file a response to a petition for divorce using Guide and File. Some of the required information you will need to have available: information about you, other names you have used in the past, your social security number, and your telephone numbers are just a few. Information about your spouse, including address and social security number and their full legal name. Information about your children, including social security numbers and addresses of where your children have lived in the last 5 years. Social security numbers, driver license number, addresses, bank account information, documentation of income. A complete list of the information you will need is available once you register for an account with Guide and File. Guide and File is an easy way to fill out forms you must file in court if you are getting a divorce and representing yourself. More information about Guide and File, including frequently asked questions, is on the New Mexico Court website at nmcourts.gov.